Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. I just want to remind everyone. In this set, all questions need solutions. Prepare your papers, ball pen or pencil as well as your calculator allowed by the PRC. One question can only be answered within 1 minute and 30 seconds, or 90 seconds. The solution will be revealed at the end of each question. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Get ready, masters. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's start.
Question number 1. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 14. The units digit is half the tens digit. When the digits are reversed, the resulting number is 198 more than the original number. What is the original number? Letter A, 563, letter B, 842, letter C, 921, letter D, 284. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 284. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 2. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius of 2 liters of water at 3 degrees Celsius after 500 calories of heat have been added? Letter A, 30.0 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 89.75 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 280 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 30.25 degrees Celsius. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 30.25 degrees Celsius. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 3. Two cylinders having weights of 100 kilonewtons and 200 kilonewtons with radii of 100 millimeters and 200 millimeters, respectively, are placed with the heavier weight below the lighter weight. Both cylinders are placed in a container with a width of 500 millimeters. Assuming that the lengths of the container and the cylinders are the same, neglecting friction between surfaces, what is the reaction between the cylinders? Letter A, 150.0 kilonewtons. Letter B, 134.2 kilonewtons. Letter C, 268.3 kilonewtons. Letter D, 300.0 kilonewtons. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 134.2 kilonewtons. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 4. The expression x raised to 4 plus ax raised to 3 plus 5x raised to 2 plus bx plus 6 when divided by x minus 2 will give a remainder of 16, and when divided by x plus 1 will give a remainder of 10. Determine the value of b. Letter A, 7. Letter B, -5. Letter C, 5. Letter D, -7. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 7. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 5. On one side of a path walk is a pedestal 1.5 meters high with a 2.5 meters high statue atop it. At the opposite side of the path, walk directly facing the statue and the pedestal subtend equal angles. Determine the width of the path, walk in meters. Letter A, 3.67 meters. Letter B, 3.0 meters. Letter C, 2.75 meters. Letter D, 3.5 meters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 3.0 meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 6. The interior angles of a polygon are an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 5 degrees. If the smallest interior angle is 120 degrees, determine the number of sides of the polygon. Letter A, 16, letter B, 15, letter C, 14, letter D, 12. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 16. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 7. The area of the isosceles triangle is 36 square centimeters. The included angle between the equal sides is 30 degrees. Find the length of the unequal side. Letter A, 5.69 centimeters. Letter B, 7.28 centimeters. Letter C, 8.42 centimeters. Letter D, 6.21 centimeters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 6.21 centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 8. An octagon is to be formed from a line whose length is 72 centimeters. Find the area of this octagon. Letter A, 377.43 square centimeters. Letter B, 427.22 square centimeters. Letter C, 391.10 square centimeters. Letter D, 352.55 square centimeters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 391.10 square centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 9. Find the greatest common factor of 462 and 630. Letter A, 2. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 42. Letter D, 6,930. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 42. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 10. In a quadratic equation problem, one student made a mistake in copying the coefficient of x and got the roots 5 and -3/2. Another student also made a mistake in copying the constant term and got the roots 2/3 and 1/4. Find the correct quadratic equation. Letter A, 12x raised to 2 plus 11x plus 90 equals 0. Letter B, 12x raised to 2 minus 11x plus 90 equals 0. Letter C, 12x raised to 2 plus 11x minus 90 equals 0. Letter D, 12x raised to 2 minus 11x minus 90 equals 0. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 12x raised to 2 minus 11x minus 90 equals 0. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 11. Divide 224 into two parts such that when the larger part is divided by the smaller part, the quotient is 2, and the remainder is half of the smaller part. Find the larger part. Letter A, 160, letter B, 170, letter C, 180, letter D, 150. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 160. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 12. The quotient of the ages of a mother and her daughter is 2 with remainder 5. 5 years ago, the mother was thrice as old as her daughter then. How old is the mother now? Letter A, 30, letter B, 32, letter C, 35, letter D, 36. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 35. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 13. A vertical pole was broken by the wind. The upper part, still attached, reached a point of the level ground 15 feet from the base. If the upper part is 9 feet longer than the lower part, how tall was the pole? Letter A, 20 feet, letter B, 17 feet, letter C, 15 feet, letter D, 25 feet. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D, 25 feet. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 14. A container contains a mixture of acid and water. If 25 gallons of acid are added, the mixture will be 80% acid. If 25 gallons of water added, the mixture will be 60% acid. Find the percentage of acid in the mixture. Letter A, 65%. Letter B, 70%. Letter C, 75%. Letter D, 72%. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 75%. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 15. Two pipes running simultaneously can fill a tank in 2 hours and 40 minutes. After the larger pipe had run for 3 hours, the smaller pipe was also turned on and the tank was full 40 minutes later. How long would it take the smaller pipe to fill the tank alone? Letter A, 4 hours. Letter B, 6 hours. Letter C, 8 hours. Letter D, 10 hours. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 8 hours. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 16. The sum of three numbers in an arithmetic progression is 66. The sum of their squares is 1790. Find the third number, letter A, 35, letter B, 46, letter C, 53, letter D, 64. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 35. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 17. A son in the family says, I have sisters twice as many as brothers. A daughter in the same family says, I have brothers 2/3 as many as sisters. How many children are there in the family? Letter A, 12, letter B, 15, letter C, 16, letter D, 18. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 16. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 18. The sides of a right triangle are in arithmetic progression whose common difference is 6. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Letter A, 81, letter B, 72, letter C, 63, letter D, 54. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 72. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 19. Find the sum of all numbers lie between 70 and 203 that are divisible by 4. Letter A, 4,900, letter B, 4,692, letter C, 4,488, letter D, 4,554. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 4,488. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 20. The absolute pressure of a gas within a tank is 70.0 kilopascals. Which of the following is true? Letter A, P gauge equals 31.3 kilopascals. Letter B, P gauge equals 171.3 kilopascals. Letter C, P vacuum equals 171.3 kilopascals. Letter D, P vacuum equals 31.3 kilopascals. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter D. P vacuum equals 31.3 kilopascals. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 21. The ratio of the interior angles of a triangle is 2:3:7. If the area of the triangle is 304 square meters, compute its perimeter. Letter A, 75.21 meters. Letter B, 68.13 meters. Letter C, 91.69 meters. Letter D, 80.34 meters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter C, 91.69 meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 22. A parabolic segment has a base width of 20 centimeters and an altitude of 32 centimeters. A chord 12 centimeters long is drawn parallel to the base. How far is that chord from the vertex? Letter A, 11.52 centimeters. Letter B, 17.62 centimeters. Letter C, 24.79 centimeters. Letter D, 19.20 centimeters. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter A, 11.52 centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 23. A community of 25,000 people uses 15 gallons of water per day per capita. If it is required to raise these water to 150 feet, what is the required capacity of motor in horsepower? Letter A, 9 horsepower. Letter B, 10 horsepower. Letter C, 12 horsepower. Letter D, 14 horsepower. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 10 horsepower. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 24. A plumber is to use a deep well, a source of water to supply for the building under construction, and he went to estimate the length of intake pipe. So, from the surface of the ground, he drops a coin into the well, and after 2 seconds, he heard the splashing sound down under. How deep is the well? Letter A, 32.2 feet. Letter B, 64.4 feet. Letter C, 9.8 feet. Letter D, 19.6 feet. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 64.4 feet. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
Question number 25. A water pump has a nameplate rating of 10 horsepower, 230 volts, 3-phase, 0.85 power factor, and 75% efficiency. Determine the full load ampere or FLA of the pump. Letter A, 25.44 amperes. Letter B, 29.37 amperes. Letter C, 24.69 amperes. Letter D, 25.10 amperes. Your timer starts now. The answer is letter B, 29.37 amperes. Just pause this video for the solution. Corrections are highly appreciated.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.